Hello, today I'm going to show you how to set your wipers in maintenance mode of an Vauxhall Astra. Have a seat at the driver's side and then perform like this. You have a key. This key is now ignition is on. But if you're going to need the maintenance setup of your wipers, you have to switch off the ignition, then pull out your key, and then pull on the wiper lever for about 2 seconds. This is enough. Then the wiper arm will get in position. So let's perform this. Ignition off. Then pull the lever. And as you can see, now here we are now in maintenance mode. Oh yeah, now you can replace your blades, for example, or do other things with this setup. If you finished this, go back to the driver's side and get the key back in position. Then turn on the ignition and only pull one time a little bit on the lever. Job's done. That it is how to get in the maintenance mode of your wipers. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.